What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dingo. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is changing my high pressure fuel pump in my Lemon 435 that I've been trying to fix up. I'm not going to be able to start the car because I have a bad battery. I tried to charge it at AutoZone, left it there for like over the night, went back, battery's bad. So I'm gonna have to wait and get a new battery, but let's get into the video. So first thing first, we have some 10 millimeter bolts over here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 of them Johns, right? I'm just gonna impact it out because I don't think it's really that tight to where I have to break it loose. So wait, what the fuck? I thought this was a 10 millimeter. I thought wrong, guys. I thought wrong. I thought it... Let's try this. Yep, 11. Exactly 11. That one. Ooh, can't lose no bolts right now. Let me go ahead and take these out. Last thing we need is to loose any bolts at the moment. All right, so one of them is gonna look like this. Well, I think probably 3 of them is gonna look like that. Try to take your time and take them out so you don't lose any. That's the last thing we need. Let's loosen this some more. All right, you're also gonna have these. Okay. And we have one more all the way in the cut. So let's kind of take this out the way. Actually, no. It's... Fuck. And I lost one. I should be able to get it out once I take off this. So there's another one all the way in the back. So if I'm not mistaken, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. All right, so we're over here now. Okay, so now that you got all of that out the way, the next thing you want to do is basically disconnect all your electrical stuff. So O2 sensor, the wire that's connected to the map sensor, T-map sensor, anything that's connected to like the that goes towards like the ECU, you want to disconnect those. You also got to disconnect your charge pipe as well, obviously. And to make everything easier, the wire, the main connections that's down here to the ECU, you're gonna have to disconnect. And I'm gonna show y'all that. Oh my god, it's so loud. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys that in a few minutes of what exactly you want to disconnect. Okay, so I have O2 sensor disconnected. I believe this is for the T-map sensor. I would say try to disconnect this if you can. Right now it's giving me a little problem, so I'm gonna just see if I can work around it. What else? Yeah, you want to lift this up off of here so you could get some clearance to the wires that I was talking about down here. Charge pipe, take that off, make sure you don't lose this. Push it down, disconnect the wire for the map sensor that's down here as well. Push that down. Yeah, the next thing I have to do now is just disconnect these wires and then try to make some room and get this thing off, because already it's, you know, it's moving. It's, you know, it's there. So that's pretty much it. Let me see if I could show you guys how I take this wire off. which is just right down here. So got one loose. So this is what it's gonna look like. Basically it's gonna be like this. I don't know if you guys be able to see, but you just flick it. So it's gonna be like this originally. Connect the piece, you just push down. As you push down, you just flick it over and it comes right out. Just pull it out. There's gonna be 3 of them. Just remember where you took it from, so you put everything back in the same place. And yeah. Right, now we got that out the way. Got this over here. Got this over here. This over here. What I'm gonna try to do, because personally I don't really want to take the whole entire valve cover off, so I'm gonna try to finesse it and take it out in a way where it's like I have clearance. So let's, you know, let's see what we could work with right now. Let me see.
Most part, you know, things are gonna get in the way, but definitely need some cleaning up over here. Seems like I have some oil spill or something, but everything should be good. I'm gonna show you guys how it should look in a bit.
Yeah, so this is the high pressure fuel pump. What you're gonna have to do now is disconnect here, this fuel line, other fuel line that's right over here. Disconnect these. This is probably like a T25, 30, one of those. Then you have the connection piece, and then after that it should be good. Okay, so we got it out. Now to get it out, you're gonna need a T, let me see if you focus. You need a T27 to take out these 2 bolts right here. So there's gonna be 2 of these. And you're gonna need, I believe, either 14 or 15. I'm not sure. I use this to get it off, so just to loosen the fuel lines, take the connection off. Once you do that, it comes right out. Just, you know, twist on it just a little bit and it will come right out. Now all we got to do is just reinstall everything the same way we took it out, and that's it. So let's get to it. All right guys, everything is back together. Same way you take it out, same way you put it back in, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. That's it for today's video. Peace.